Hello, family and friends. How are you guys? Today we're going to check out Dig World. I'm so excited, but first we have to pay for our entrance. Here's my first construction equipment. This is called excavator, used to dig holes or dirt, to help the construction worker make their job easier. Looking at it makes you think it's hard to operate, but in truth it's not. It's very easy. It's a handheld equipment. I'm so happy to do all this. My mom is the best to take me here. You guys try it too. It's a lot of fun. I'm sure you all like it. As you can see, I look like a pro, maneuvering this huge equipment. Spell excavator, E-X-C-A-V-A-T-O-R. I'm into construction vehicles right now. I think they're so cool and huge. I can name all of them. This park is fun because they'll let you operate the equipment. They teach you, explain how to operate the vehicle. You're learning at the same time you're having fun. Mom said if we win lottery, she will get me excavator and put in the backyard. Well, friends, pray for us so I can have a real you. We all deserve to be happy and dream big. Let's all dig together, friends. Excavator are heavy construction equipment, consisting of boom, arm, bucket, and can-on rotating superstructure. Always remember, no construction is completed without an excavator. So friends, now we all learned something from this video. How cool is that? The weather is perfect today to be outdoor. Weekends, we always go out, me and my mom. We always do something fun together. Now my time is up. I'm on my second round. I can do this all day. They have timer cause a lot of people waiting for their turns. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. This one is a little different because they changed the scooper into a hook. They call this blocks. I did have a hard time doing this because I could catch any blocks. But I'm no quitter. I'm still trying. As you can see, I called the worker so he can help me. It feels like fishing for blocks, and I'm not good at it. But still, it was fun to try. It had a blast. Now here I'm driving a loader. I was sitting on my mom's lap so she can help me if I need help turning. Can you believe I'm driving a heavy construction equipment? Woohoo! Friends out there, you can also do it. I'm having so much fun today. My mom is the coolest. Here, we're just chilling after all that work. Mom let me play here before we go home.